This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to easily scan documents and stuff on your Motorola phone or your Android phone. If you just swipe up and go to Files right here, type in Files, and under Files on the bottom there is an option. You can kind of see it right here once this goes away. There's an option to scan your documents. So right here we can just go to this little option right here, and this is really easy, and you can set up auto capture or manual capture. So here I have just a phone, and you can see it's just going to auto highlight it, and it should just take it if you just hold your phone steady here. Otherwise you can just hit this button and it should capture it. Otherwise it's going to try the best it can to pretty much scan it. Now you can add another one or discard it, so we can go to next or go to plus icon right here and you can start over. Otherwise it's going to keep all the scans in one pretty much one document, so you can just try this out. Then you can look at your different scans right here. And I think you have the option to adjust it or retake it. You can crop it and rotate it too. If the crop isn't perfect right here, you can just line this up and apply it. But yeah, and then this should save it as like a PDF somewhere on your phone and you can view it. Looks like it's under Documents. So we can just go to the Documents page right here and we should be able to find it. So here's my scans. And then you can send it on over, or you can print it or email it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.